Your chakra system holds the key to your past, present, and future well-being. They carry the imprint of your life history, thus influencing your journey forward. Whether in or out of balance, the chakras influence your physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual health and vitality on all levels, and this is why chakra healing is so essential for your health. When your chakras are healthy and vital, life flows with ease. You enjoy good health, enriching relationships, and abundance and joy on all levels. Most of us, however, have lived through experiences that impact the flow of energy in our chakra system, including chronic stress, unhealthy social and family conditioning, trauma, and emotional, mental, and/or physical injuries and disease. Essentially, every challenge that we face can be traced back to our chakra system. These experiences, when left unhealed, lead to chronic imbalances and blockages that create numerous challenges, including toxic relationship patterns, harmful coping strategies, unhealthy boundaries, financial challenges, low self-esteem, anxiety, depression, and other mental health challenges, sexual dysfunction, emotional disconnection, poor self-care, controlling behaviors, disempowerment, and many other problems that keep us from fully enjoying and thriving in our lives. The good news is that the key to healing lies within our own body. So think about that for a moment. Through understanding your own chakra system and how it works with your consciousness, with your emotional, mental, and physical body, you have the power to make transformational changes in your life. You can learn to bring about better health, reduce stress and anxiety, resolve unhealthy patterns that keep you feeling stuck. You can decrease pain in your body, and in general, just create a happier, more joyful life. Hi, I'm Linda Diefenbach, and I invite you to join me as your coach and guide for a 9-month deep dive chakra healing journey. This program is designed for you to learn the tools you need to create greater overall health and well-being through healing your chakra system. Each month, you learn about the functions and influences of each chakra successively. You discover signs and causes of balance and imbalance, and explore the health of your chakras. And then through there, implement tools and practices to create greater health and balance in your life through healing your chakra system. The program includes a blend of online learning with live and one-on-one group coaching calls to guide and support your healing process. So check out the details below and register now to save your spot for our next course offering. I look forward to sharing this journey with you. Take care.